Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So you guys are watching e-learning with Suruchi and this is English special course for SSC examination and the topic is one word substitution, okay? So let's get started. So the first one is gullible. Gullible is someone who easily believes on others, okay? So if you are believing on others very easily, then that is called gullible, okay? Now the second one is anonymous. Anonymous is not identified by the name or unknown. So the person who is unknown to you are not that particular person is absolutely you can say unknown to you. So that is called anonymous. Now the next one is unanimous. Unanimous in fully in agreement. That means something which is fully confirmed or fully sure that you are sure about it and you're gonna do this or that. Then that is called unanimous. Okay. Now the next one is one second. Now the next one is vexation. Vexation means annoyed, frustrated, or worried. It means you are worried about something, or you're getting annoyed. You are getting annoyed by someone or some work. So that particular thing is called vexation. Okay, you are getting vexed. So you're getting frustrated or you're getting worried about your parents or something. That is called vexation. Now the next one is inevitable. Inevitable means incapable of being avoided, something which you can't able to tolerate or avoid, so that is called inevitable. That means you're not able to avoid those things which is happening around you, or which is just you can say annoyed or frustrated. You're getting frustrated by those things. You're not able to tolerate this. You're not able to inevitate this. Okay. Now the next one is resistance. Resistance is a device, so it's basically a device you have heard somewhere, maybe, that is device having resistance on the passage of electric current, and it creates a kind of obstacle. Okay, so it's a kind of device which creates a kind of obstacle in the electric current, okay, in the electric circuit. Now the next one is conductor. That is a device that transmits heat and electricity. It's a kind of device which is used to transmit the heat and electricity. Okay. Now the next one is commutator. Commutator is also a device which is used to reverse the direction of electric current. So it's both of these, conductor and commutator, are nothing but a device. But you please don't create any kind of confusion in between them, because there are lots of students that I have seen that they are facing lots of confusions between those two. So be very positive and sure while you are doing. The first one is conductor. That is a device which transmits heat. Okay, that it is used to transmit the heat and electricity. On the other hand, commutator is a device which is used to reverse the direction of electric current. Okay, so keep it in your mind. Now the next one is incomprehensible. Incomprehensible means impossible or extremely difficult to understand. So there must be something in your class subject that history is out of your mind, like seriously you're not able to attend those sessions. So that is such a difficult work to do. I can't understand those things. Okay, so that is called incomprehensible. Now the next one is incompatible. Incompatible means different, something which is really different or inappropriate. Okay, you used to say most of the times, there are so many people I've seen that they're telling that these couples are incompatible for each other. You guys are so incompatible, like seriously, look at the lifestyle of hers and his. They both are so different with each other, so they are incompatible. So at that time we use that stock of words. Okay, so keep it in your mind, that is incompatible. Now the next one is inaudible. Inaudible means impossible or different to hear, something which is difficult to hear. Okay, you can't be able to hear those things, like you are watching a video, some kind of video, and that is just impossible to hear. You're not able to hear every word properly. That is called inaudible. Okay, now the next one. So that's it. Okay, so if you like my channel, please do like, share and subscribe, and lastly I would say, please don't forget to press the bell icon. So that's it. Thank you so much. Be happy, stay home and stay safe.